peeps, welcome to another Craftmas episode. Today we'll be laser cutting and engraving a holiday door corner decoration. The first thing we're going to do is draw the images we're using for our decoration. Now in LightBurn, we can draw out the shape of our door that we'll build our frame around. We're just using our square tool to make the outline of our decoration. We're subtracting our door's outline and our rectangle to get the correct dimensions for our frame. Also, we want our corner to be round, so we'll add a radius of 0.1. Now that we have our two shapes, we'll use the union tool to join them. And we're again adding a radius to more of the corners. Now that we have a basic shape, we can add our images. We'll start by tracing our snowman. We're going to go ahead and move it to an engraving layer. Also, we'll give our snowman an offset. And we want the border to be a cut layer so that our laser cuts around the drawing. Now we'll move it to place and join it to the frame. We can just repeat this process with our other images. And to fill up the blank spaces in our decoration, we're going to add a little bit of text. Since we have finished the design, we can get rid of all of the tool paths we've created. All we have to do now is add our settings. We'll just be using settings we've previously made for cutting and engraving wood. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. There will be a few more Craftmas episodes coming soon.